I'm Riddhi Panchal. I am a psychologist, clinical psychologist, and a psychotherapist. And I am glad to be a part of this particular webinar of Arkin. I welcome all of you all and I thank all of you all for being a part and watching us live on Facebook. Welcome all of you all to this fourth and the final session of webinar, which has been conducted by Arkin for NATA 2021. So we all know that there has been some or the other changes in the NATA syllabus for the year 2021. And of course, it has created a lot of panic and anxiety amongst the students. And exactly because of that particular reason, to help students out in this particular situation, we have different professors, we have different mentors from this institute who would be helping and guiding all the students out there who would be giving their attempt of NATA 2021. It is my privilege to welcome architect Revati Parki, who has been one of the most senior mentor of Arkin Institute, and who has also helped so many students achieve national level ranks. So thank you so much, Revati ma'am, for being a part of this. And I would really want all the students out there watching us to get some or the other insights and guidance from your end. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Riddhi. Thank you. First of all, I want to thank Arkin for giving me this opportunity to guide you all about this NATA examination. I will give you a small intro about myself. I'm architect and I'm from Arkins, Pune. I'm training students for NATA and design entrances from last 10 years. I have been faculty in BNCA College of Architecture, Pune, and jury at Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Architecture, Pune. I have authored the books for NATA and design entrance exams, which is available in bookstores, also available online. So, as we know that NATA 2021, first exam results have been declared and on 20th April. And out of, we know that 15,000 students have appeared for the examination, out of which only 11,000 students have qualified for this examination. So many of the students are not happy with their first attempt results. So many students face so many problems. Let us just go through the visuals of the problems which is faced by the students so that everyone got to know what exactly the problems are.
I welcome Sanika, who would be sharing her experiences that she went through in this particular attempt which she gave for NATA.
Hi, I'm Sanika from Arkin. I'm preparing for NATA this year. When the Council of Architecture released the brochure for the exam, things weren't mentioned clearly. Like the pattern of the exam was not specified. The syllabus given was vague. I was confused about the preparation of the exam. When I appeared for the first attempt, questions based on mensuration and time and distance were asked in the mathematics part. A couple of riddles were also asked. Extract-based questions were asked. Questions based on visual memory were also asked. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sanika, for sharing your problems with us. First of all, I want to congratulate Sanika for scoring 103 in NATA first attempt. Though she is not satisfied with that score and want to score more in second attempt. Now, based on my experience, last few years, NATA 2021 was 50% different and was not as per the syllabus which is mentioned in the NATA brochure. So, in NATA brochure, they have also mentioned that no coaching is required for this exam, and at the test, they will judge the student's ability through the variety of testing formats. But it is not true. If you see the question paper, there are so many questions. There are so many questions which is based on color theory, principles of design, architectural terminology, logical reasoning, mathematical questions. So that requires preparation. So now we can just have one more participant review and one more problems, and one by one we will sort out that solution of that problems. Let us have the next participant.
Yes, so our next participant is Priyanka, and she would also want to share her experience.
Hello, I am Priyanka Bobre from Arkin Institutes, and today I will be sharing some of the problems that were faced while attempting the first attempt of NATA 2021. So first of all, we all know that the paper pattern was completely different from what was expected from last year or previous 10 years. Now we understand that this was because of the corona and pandemic and stuff, but still we were expecting the topics which were given in the brochure. Yes, there was an influence, but they were 60% and 40% ratio, that a few topics were completely like off architectural awareness, but majority were not up to the mark what was expected. Secondly, uh, the section 2 was completely different and not known. There were 30 seconds and we had to see a picture and then attempt the questions, but it was really difficult to notice each and every object and each and everything, and count each and everything in 30 seconds, and we didn't even know what were the questions after the image. So that part was a bit tricky, and I would really like if we had the drawing section the next attempt, obviously if it is safe after the pandemic. But I really make sure that I will try and give my best the next time, because this time it was very new to me. So yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you for sharing your experiences and problems that you faced in the examination. I want to congratulate Priyanka for qualifying the first NATA exam, but she's also not satisfied with her score. So many of the students faced problems, which is the second section of the NATA paper. Typically, that is many of the students that actually that question was very new to the students. In that questions, they need to observe the picture for 30 seconds, and they need to observe the differences also, so which is carrying almost 30 marks out of the 20 marks of the NATA paper. So we will try to help you out how to attempt such type of questions in this webinar. Let us have the next participant review about the NATA.
Sure. I would now want to invite Miss Namita, who would also like to share her experience in the first attempt of a NATA.
Hi, my name is Nata and I gave the NATA recently. So in the NATA there were two sections, section A and section B, out of which I'll definitely say section B was the more difficult section. Section B basically had 10 questions and they would show a picture for 30 seconds and based on that they would ask you questions. But you couldn't see the questions before seeing the picture and you couldn't see the pictures after seeing the questions. So it was a bit difficult for me because I didn't know what questions to expect because they were of a different type every time. So I didn't know what I had to observe in the picture exactly. Section A was comparatively easier, but I had prepared a lot of architectural terminologies and GK and architectural aptitude related things, but they asked common sense related questions, and they had a couple of riddles, which were quite easy, but the ones that I hadn't read before were difficult. Um, Physics and maths was very basic; it was easy. So I think I mostly lost marks in section A for the riddles I didn't know. And in section B, I must have lost quite a few marks because I was unprepared for the section entirely.
Okay. Thank you, Namita, for sharing your concerns. I'm very happy to say that Namita is one of the top scorer from Arkin, and she got 126 marks in NATA first attempt. Yes, this year around 10 riddles asked in the examination, and that is for 20 marks. So many of the students face problems while attempting that kind of riddles. Though at Arkin, we see that students develop logical thinking, observation skills from the foundation level itself. We used to take regular quizzes online as well as offline platforms on such kind of riddles. As 99% of the success ratio in the first NATA examination. Okay, So today I will take you through the question types which is expected in the NATA 2021 second attempt that might help you to score good, better than the first attempt. So let us start with the presentation, and I will present my screen. The first type of the question which is asked in second section of the NATA paper attempt 1 was observe the picture for 30 seconds and answer the questions. So many of the students have faced that problem to how to attempt such type of questions. So basically, if you see, can you everyone can see my screen, right? Okay. So what this question typically do is to let you study the picture for 30 seconds, okay, and ask various type of questions about what exactly the picture that have, okay. That is actually to judge how observant were you. So I will show you the picture for the 30 seconds and you need to observe the things. Now we will learn how to observe the picture, okay. So such type of the image came in the examination. There are 5 pictures and 10 questions which is asked, which is based on 5 different pictures, and that is came for 30 marks. Okay, so 3 marks for each question. So actually you can score this 30 marks in second NATA attempt if you practice such type of images. So now if you see this picture, so in this quiz they might ask you about count the number of or how many ducklings are there in the picture, or they may ask you about how many trees were there in the picture, and while showing this must be they will not show you the image, so you need to remember all these things, okay. So just see this picture for 30 seconds and then we will start with the questionnaire. Everyone should participate in this quiz. Just type your answers in the comment section below, okay. We will ask 3 questions based on one picture. So we will go one by one. You will get sufficient time to answer the questions. So just see the picture right now. The first moment you look at this image, you just need to, don't see it like just you are seeing the image, because you will not remember this image, okay. Just need to remember the things which is in that image. Try to remember what exactly at the background of that image. Try to divide this image into the 5 parts, like top thing, or the background mountains, or the left shore or the right shore, at the center river. So try to divide the image into 5 parts and try to remember the things. Now we will start with the questionnaire. How many boats are in the picture? You can type your answers in the comment box.
Okay, we have some answers. Sanika, Aditi, Dev, Tanishka, and quite a lot of them have replied as 2 boats.
Okay, okay, okay. So just write down the answer because I'm going to tell the answer at the end of the 3 questions. How many kids have their mouth open? Next question is, which is the structure of the land? Which is the structure on the land? House, church, tent, water tower. Please post your answers so that everybody can know, able to know if you have given the correct answer or not.
Right, many people have responded as C, tent.
Okay, okay. Actually, that's the correct answer. So now if you see the picture again, you will see the first question answer is how many boats are there in the picture. So you can see there are 2 boats. So जिन्होंने भी 2 आंसर लिखा है, that is right. Second question was how many kids have their mouth open. So yes, two childrens we are seeing the mouths open. So 2. And the last question here was which is the structure on the land. So that is the tent. So tent is the correct answer. So whenever you see the photographs, try to ask the question to yourself, different type of question to yourself, okay? And try to remember the things, okay? Because it is very difficult to remember the photograph, okay? It is very impossible to remember the photograph. If you have the rough paper and the pencil, you can just try to write down the things in a quick way manner in that 30 seconds. Now we have the next picture. This picture will again remain for 30 seconds and you need to answer this question. Just see this picture carefully. Now likewise, I've told you that previous picture have the 3D background. So you can divide that picture into the 5 parts. So here you can see the students are sitting in a linear manner. You can see some of the names which is written below each student. So you need to remember the names. You need to remember, count the number of the students. You need to remember the colors. Okay, so color theory. So now we will turn on to the questions. How many children were in the photo? We will start with the easy question to the difficult one. Next question. How many children were raising their hand? Just let me know if students are answering the question.
Sure, ma'am.
Who
Uh,
was? Yes.
Yeah, there are few answers over here. Someone has replied 2 students.
Okay, that is wrong. Next, who was wearing glasses?
So Sonalika is answering 3 for wearing glasses, and Bhavna is answering 3.
Okay. Who was wearing glasses? So you need to tell the answer, the name of the students.
Okay, I think this is for the previous question.
Okay. So how many children raising their hand?
Yeah. So 3 and 4 are the answers.
So I think four is the correct answer for that question. So if you see the answers, how many students are raising their hand? So you can see the 4 students are raising their hand. So yes, 4 is correct. How many children were in the photo? 7 children are there in the photo. And who was wearing glasses? So Lan has wearing the glasses.
Muhammad has answered Dylan.
Yes. So very good,
And
Mohammed.
Shrutika also answered Dylan because there's some taking some time. So Shrutika
Acha.
has answered Dylan.
Okay.
Ankita, Dylan. So all of them are answering Dylan. That's very good.
Very good. Very good. So you need to be observant for such kind of things, such kind of photographs. You can develop your photographic memory. It is not impossible to develop these things. You just need to practice such type of questions that will help you to boost your memory. Okay. So now we will go ahead with the next question. Again, I will give you the 30 seconds to observe this question and then we will start with the question. You need to be really observant for this picture. Now we will start with the answers, questions. Okay, are you ready, everyone? What is there in the hand of Geek? What is there in the hand of Geek? So I told you just to remember the names. If it is written over there, try to remember the names. Try to remember the things. Try to remember the color. So what's there in the hand of Geek? Please answer.
Dev Joshi has answered paintbrush. Mohammad has answered paintbrush. Tanishka and Prem has answered paintbrush. Sanika, Shushant, Bhavna, all have answered paintbrush.
Very good, very good, very good observation. Everyone, very good.
Shrutika, Ankita, all have now everyone is answering paintbrush.
Very good, very good. So now we will try to add on some of the difficult question in this. Okay. So try to give the answer of the next question. Everyone, right answer. Now next question. What color shirt wore by Photo Geek? What color shirt wore by Photo Geek?
They're thinking, still not answer.
Okay, okay.
Let's wait for the answers.
You're waiting?
Okay, Hussain has answered orange. We are waiting for more answers now. Shrutika has answered orange. Tanishka, Sushant, orange. Bhavna, orange.
So very good. Everyone is noticing the things. Very good. Orange is the correct answer for this question. Very
Prem,
good. Very good.
Sanika, Tanishka, Sonalika, all of them have answered orange.
Very good. Very good.
Priyanka, orange. Dev Joshi, orange.
Very good. Orange is the answer. Now, next question. It is little bit difficult. What was written on the tag attached to the Linux gig? How many of you have observed that there is a tag which is attached to the Linux gig? And actually there is something which is written on that tag. Now, this is little bit a complicated question.
They are still thinking because no one has answered. Student, please answer.
So, okay, anyways, I will show you the answer, no worries. So, it is very difficult to remember actually. So, yes, you can see what is there.
No, but we got a correct answer, Revati. Prem Mehta has written, but the answer is not correct, but he's written rate.
Okay, so actually the answer is free. Okay, the answer is free. You can see it in the Zoom image if you see it properly. Okay, so the three question was there on this photograph. First was what is there in the hand of Gigi. So you can see the paintbrush. Then after that, what color t-shirt wore by PhotoGeek? You can see orange color t-shirt. And what was written on the tag attached to the Linux Geeks? It's free. So you need to observe all the things which is in the hand, which is over there in the photograph. You need to observe the colors. You need to observe the names of the, if it is written, the names over there. You just need to observe each and every in detail in 30 seconds. If you are not able to remember that thing, try to write it down in a short notes with the help of pencil and the paper. Okay. In the examination also, on the rough page, you can just try to write down all these things fast. So now we will go ahead with the next question, which is the last one. Okay. Observe this picture for 30 seconds and answer this question. We are seeing this photograph. Just divide this into the 5 parts and see everything. Try to remember everything. And your time is up. Now, what was written on that pillow? What was written on the pillow?
Okay, they got the question now. So now they will be answering now.
Okay.
Bhavna is answering the computer personal again.
Okay.
Let's wait for other. Achha.
Yes.
Sushant is answering the computer personal gain. Priyanka is answering the computer personal again. Sanika is answering the computer personal gain. It's between two. There's someone saying gain, some are saying again. This one first part is common for all. Shrutika, Hussain, Tanishka. Computer personal.
So, yes. So those who are answering the computer personal again, that is the correct answer.
Great. That means Ankita, Dev, Tanishka, Hussain,
Yes.
they have got it correct.
Very good. Very good.
Priyanka, Bhavna.
Very good. So now, how many different colors of the balloon shown in the picture? Just type the numbers, which is easy actually.
Priyanka has answered 2, Tanishka 3. No, Tanishka again corrected it to 2. So everyone is answering 2. Priyanka, Tanishka, Bhavna, Sanika, Prem, Rushikesh, Ankita.
Yes, so 2 is the correct answer. You can see it in the question. The question was, first question was, what was written on the pillar? So you can see the computer personal again. You can see over here, A is written. Okay. And the second question was, how many different colors of the balloons shown in the picture? So you can see these are the 2 colored balloons, white and the blue. So such type of questions might come in the second NATA paper. You just need to practice such type of questions, okay, to improve your score. So now next part, which is the part of the riddles, okay, 10 question was asked in the NATA paper. You can see the such type of question which was asked in paper, and many of the students are confused how to answer. The riddles are actually, basically it is a statement, okay, and which is intentionally phrased and which is to be solved, okay. So now we know the answers of this question, and now we are feeling that, oh my god, you need to think little bit differently to answer such type of questions. No need to calculate the things. Sometimes if you see such kind of riddles, the answer is actually hidden in the statement itself, okay. So riddles actually helps to improve the creativity, and that's why riddle asked in the examination. It is not like that it is out of the syllabus and all. It is just to improve your creativity levels, just to judge your creativity levels, how exactly you are thinking differently, uh, how critically you can able to think, just to judge your problem solving skills. So that is the reason they have asked the result in the examination. Okay, so how to solve such type of riddle? That is the main question. So basically, you need to practice the puzzle games. Okay, you need to solve such type of riddles on the daily basis. You need to develop thinking in a different way. Okay, so we will start with some of the questions which is based on the riddles here on the on this platform. Okay, so just try to answer, try to think differently. Okay, sometimes the answers are some of the riddles having answers in the question itself. So it is not at all difficult. Take your time and answer the question on the comment section. Let us start with the riddle. First riddle is, if you had only one match and entered in a dark room containing an oil lamp, some newspaper and some kindling wood, which would you light first? You just need to think differently. Many of the times answers are in the riddles itself.
Just thinking because no one had answered yet.
Okay, we will wait.
Yeah. Okay, Sanika has answered matchstick itself. Priyanka, Ashwin, matchstick.
Very good, very good. So likewise, you need to think how differently you are seeing the picture. Out of these 3 options, there is no answer. You can just see over there. First of all, anyone can actually light the matchstick first after the all these things. So yes, matchstick is the correct answer for such type of questions.
So everyone is answering correctly, Reti.
Very good.
Hussain, Shrutika, Tanishka, Sonalika, Ankita.
Very good, very good. Solving such kind of puzzles requires you to think differently. Okay, situation in multiple ways. Okay, just to figure out how the best solution will be for such type of sentences or the questions. The next riddle is, how many times can you subtract 10 from 100? So you will feel it like a mathematical question, but it is not like that. It's a riddle. So think differently.
Students are still thinking.
Okay.
Okay, Sanika has answered, but let's wait for more answers to tell them the correct. But everyone is answering one. Sanika, Rushikesh, Priyanka, Sonali, Ashwin, they are saying one.
Okay.
Bhavna,
So
Ankita, one.
yes, one time, because next time whenever you will subtract it from the 100, that is like 90. Okay. So how many times can you subtract 10 from 100? Only one time, because next time you will subtract, that is from 90 you will subtract. So answer 1 is the correct one. Okay. Very good, students.
Smart students are there.
Yeah, many of the students answering correct answers. Now next question. If there are 6 apples and you take away 4, how many do you have?
Let's see if they are answering this correctly or not. They're still thinking.
Actually, it's a fun. It's not like you are studying or anything. It's a fun to answer such kind of riddles. In our team, we always try to take such kind of riddles on our online platforms.
Rushikesh has answered 4. Ashwin, Sonali, Hussain, Ankita, they've all answered 4. Bhavna,
Correct. Correct. Very good.
Shrutika, 4. Tanishka, Sushant, 4.
Yes. So those who have not understood, I will just explain it for them. If there are 6 apples and you take away 4, already the answer is in the statement itself. You take away 4, that's why you have, how many do you have? You have 4 apples. So answer is there in the statement only, in that question only. Now next question is little bit tricky. Imagine you are in a sinking raw boat surrounded by sharks. How would you survive? Imagine you are in a sinking raw boat surrounded by sharks. How would you survive?
Yeah, that's a tricky question because students are thinking.
Okay.
Not yet answered.
Okay, it's a little bit tricky question. You just need to think on it.
But then again, they're smart. They have started answering.
Very good, very good.
Rushikesh, Ashwin, Hussain, Priyanka, Sonali, they have all answered. Stop imagining.
Very good, very good. So stop imagining is the correct answer. You just need to be a very creative and you need to think differently to answer such type of questions. You just need to stop imagining that you are sinking and you will survive. So yes, very good answers from the student. Correct answer. This is the last question of the riddle. A is the father of B, but B is not the son of A. How is that possible? No answers?
They have answered. They have started answering. Rishi is answering B is daughter. Sanika, B is daughter of A. Bhavna,
Very good.
Dev, Sushant, Shrutika, Sonali, Ankita, Tanishka, all are answering daughter.
Very good. So today, many of the creative students have joined our webinar. Very good.
Hussain, Ashwin, Tanishka, Sonalika, everyone is answering that B is A's daughter.
Very good. That is the correct answer. B is the A's daughter. That's why she's not the son of the A. So such type of the questions you need to practice to improve your creativity. Okay, for the second NATA attempt. Again, you need to be very much open It is not necessary that same question will be asked in the examination in the second attempt. It's not like that. You just need to prepare yourself in a 360-degree angle. Okay, everyone. So again, one type of the question which is asked in the examination was on the observation itself. You just need to count the differences of that picture. You just need to count how many number of the differences in that two pictures. So can you count how many differences you can see in this picture? Actually, don't count, just write it down in the comment section below. How many differences you see? Again, I will tell you to how to solve such type of questions. Just divide this photograph into the 4 parts. Okay. Try to see the first part with the first, second with the second, and third with the third, and fourth with the fourth, and then try to answer the question. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to answer if you are moving around and looking in all direction in that particular picture. It is very difficult to answer, or you may be miss out some of the difference.
Dev is answering drawing. Dev Rishi on blackboard.
Very good. First, yes, drawing.
And
second,
Rishikesh is saying globe. Sonalika, Rishikesh.
Globe. Correct.
Then Rishi is saying stickers on wall.
That is a frame he want to talk, like frame on the wall.
Okay, be more clear, Rishikesh. No.
Be specific.
Yes, frame. Yeah. Priyanka is answering frame. Tanishka is saying the child. We have to be very specific which you are talking about.
There are so many childs in the picture.
Yeah. One child they are saying, but you have to be specific. Bhavna is saying books. So Prem Mehta is answering that there are total 8 differences. Tanishka is saying crayons on the table. See, Tanishka and all everyone, when you are answering, you have to be very specific. Which table, front, back, middle.
Even the books, there are so many different books. So
Tanishka is saying the child is missing. Toys. Dev is saying toys. Tanishka is saying there are 12 differences in these 2 pictures.
So
Shrutika is saying red crayons on the table. Which table? You have to specify. Otherwise, how will we understand? Rishi is saying books on shelf.
Yes, correct. Have you observed this tiling pattern? Just observe. These are the difference in the tiling pattern. This kid is missing. So try to see from all the aspects.
Rishi is saying crayons on top left table. Tanishka is saying the front table, the crayons are missing. And Tanishka is also, Vardham is also saying there are 12 differences. Okay, Tanishka is Sekhawati saying the tiles pattern is different.
So now can you tell me the total number of the differences?
Now, yes. Sonali is saying 9. Tanishka has answered 12. Earlier, Prem has said 15 differences. Everyone, please tell us the number of differences now. Hussain is saying 12 or 13, 12 to 13.
Okay. So actually, when you will see such kind of figure, always try to divide this into the 4 parts and just try to do it by one, so that it will be not difficult for you to see all these things at one time. Okay, so such type of questions you need to practice. Okay, try to give the answers, everyone.
Bhavna is saying 12. Dev is saying 13. Priyanka is saying 10. Tanishka is saying 12.
Actually, 12 is the correct answer for this question. Those who are giving 12, that is the correct answer.
Tanishka, Bhavna, and then Hussain, they have answered correctly. Hussain had said 12 or 13 earlier also, I think, yeah. Tanishka, Vardham.
So So yeah, again I will tell you everyone, the 50% of the NATA paper was as per the syllabus which is given in the paper, and that requires preparation. Okay, so without preparation you can't go. With the preparation you can score well in the NATA. Okay, so actually we are starting with the preparation for the NATA second attempt. Okay, and we will be starting that course from the first week of May. Supriya ma'am will give you all the information about that second attempt. Supriya ma'am, you can just give all the information what exactly the syllabus will be in that attempt that we are taking.
Yeah. So this will be the Arkin's approach to crack NATA 2021. We will have rigorous live online sessions, and we will be including many things like verbal, non-verbal reasoning, numerical reasoning, design aptitude, puzzles and riddles, observation exercises, architectural awareness, general knowledge, lateral thinking exercises, everything. And these are just a glimpse. There are many more topics which will be covered, and then we will have subject matter mock test also. And there will be practice sessions on Arkin online platform. And as I told you in the earlier webinar also, and I will tell you now also, there are extensive study material on our Arkin online platform. In fact, there may some questions which were already there. So these are our way how we'll approach for this June NATA. We'll be covering everything. Remember, this will be very fun sessions because NATA is not difficult. It's just different, little different, and it has become more creative, more interesting. So if you practice in the right direction, I'm sure everyone will get good marks. You have to be more observant, more puzzle riddle kind of question, which already we were doing, which are already there on our Arkin online platform. So these are the things which we'll be covering. And now let me show you about our Arkin online. 1 second. Just a second. I'll just share about our
Just prepare yourself in a 360-degree angles. Okay.
See, there are some free tests. Even if you have not, we have some free test, mock test available, and that also in the same pattern. Just this which I'm showing you now. This is the free one, and this is which is the same way which you have been asked. See all these kind of questions already there on our platform. Can you see? And then other than that, we have many more things. More than 5,000 questions are there, which are related to this NATA. Observation, visualization, see. Finding the difference. All those questions which had come here in this exam.
We are not able to see, Supriya.
We are not able to see? Oh.
No.
Acha. No. Okay, I'll just stop it. I think there was some problem with the sharing. Should I share again? No, but I can see.
Yes. Share it again.
No, it was there. I can see. I could see in the mobile, in the Facebook.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Should I? Okay, I'll just share again then. What I was telling you all, it is already there in our Arkin platform, online platform. I've closed it. It will take a little bit of time, but be with us. Can you see now? Is it visible?
No.
Is it visible now?
Yeah.
So what I was saying, already there are some free tests which are in the same way which have been asked in the exam, and then there are some which are all the materials are there, which are very, very relevant to this new pattern, new type of questions, which already here we have here. So just this was the free test I showed, and see this question paper. This all are free test. Even if you are not a student, you can download, and then if you are a student, we give you access to full access to this, and then in there you will be able to see. Okay, now I'm just stopped just sharing. So I think there is not no longer I will be able to share it. So over to you, Riddhi, now.
Thank you so much, Supriya ma'am and Revati ma'am. It was definitely a wonderful session, and I am definitely hoping that all the students who have joined us in our live webinar must have gained a lot of insights and a lot of knowledge from you guys. Thank you so much. As mentors, you all have guided them in a much more amazing way, I'm sure. And I hope all the students out there are feeling much more confident about the whole second attempt of NATA. As a psychologist and a psychotherapist, there are some pointers that I would want to focus on or I would want to highlight them. As I came to know that how NATA had changed its exam pattern because of the pandemic situation. Of course, there was a lot of panic, lot of anxiety amongst the students, which probably might affect their performance, might have affected their performance in their first attempt as well. As a psychologist, I just want to mention that how important it will be for all the students out there to right now just accept the situation the way it is. In quite a lot of students, one thing that was very commonly seen was ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening with us? Why us? We should not be facing this. It's very unfair to us. I would definitely want to mention that see the more you all are in this particular phase of why us, why me, it is unfair. It is just going to delay the preparation that you all will have to do for the second attempt. So we might as well accept the situation. We might as well address the elephant in the room, and then move ahead with our preparation for the second attempt. Along with that, of course, being this being one of the most competitive exam, there would be a lot of anxiety in the air. Just make sure that you all are questioning these thoughts, you all are questioning these worries, because many a times in any given situation, one particular thought leads to a range of negative emotions, which further leads to different kind of negative behavior. So it's better for us to just take a pause whenever we are feeling very overwhelmed or whenever we are feeling very anxious and worried about the exam. Question our thoughts, question those worries, and then move ahead with the preparation. I'm sure that is something which will be very helpful to all of you all. Again, of course, time management is the key, which I'm sure your mentors at the institute and must have mentioned to you guys about. Also, make sure that you all are taking this exam as a challenge and not a burden. As Revati ma'am and Supriya ma'am mentioned, that it is all about the creativity aspect. It is all about thinking out of the box aspect. It would be much more helpful if the stress level is less during the exam or at least before the exam. Apart from that, just believe in yourself. Just stay positive. You know much more than what you think you do. So that is all from my end, and I really hope that all of y'all would flourish with this particular second attempt of NATA. And at any given time, all the mentors at Arkin Institute are definitely there to support all of y'all, be it with respect to exam pressure, be it with respect to different doubts and difficulties just before the exam. Just feel free to connect to any of the center. Just feel free to connect to the mentors and the teachers, professors of the Arkin Institute. And again, thank you so much, all the participants, to be a part of this on a Sunday evening. It definitely means a lot. Also, Revati ma'am and Supriya ma'am, thank you so much for your valuable inputs. And I would definitely
Thank
would
you,
want
Riddhi.
to.
Hope you have, all of them have enjoyed the session today and they have learned something from today's session.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Revati ma'am, there is a question from Mohammed Hussain.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can give Nata second attempt as I am in 11th standard. That is his question. If you could answer.
Actually, no, not allowed for the 11th standard students. You should be 12th appear for the Nata attempt.
Okay, all right. Thank you,
For
ma'am.
only 12th appeared students. Because that score is not valid for the next year. If he is